All right, number 5, when you say oral cancer, most people think immediately of tobacco, even perhaps alcohol. But did you know the most common form of oral cancer actually comes from the oral form of human papillomavirus, or HPV? Now some dentists are using a brand new way to test patients to see if indeed they have that virus. Joining us now with more is Dr. Angie Gribble Hedlund. Thanks so much for coming by and talking to us about this. Most people, I don't think, know that the most common form of oral cancer comes from HPV. Why don't we know that?
Well, this is a great opportunity to get the word out to people that over half of all oral cancer is caused by HPV virus.
Has that always been the case? Is this something we're just now discovering?
Well, we learn more as we have more cases of oral cancer. There's over 40,000 cases of oral cancer diagnosed every year in the United States.
And so when you talked to me earlier, you said that when you do the pathology lab work, when someone has cancer, that's when you discover the HPV?
Yes.
All right.
Absolutely.
So now there is a brand new test to test for it. Tell us about that.
It's been out a little over a year, and it's a simple saline solution swish, and the patient swishes with the saline and expectorates back into a tube that we send into the lab, and they do a diagnostic test on the saliva, and it tests for a particular strain of HPV that we know causes over 90% of oral cancer that's caused by HPV.
Now, does this add to your cost to the doctor's visit? The dentist's visit?
There is a lab cost for it, like there are with any medical test.
So what is it?
It's around between $150 and $250,
oh, wow,
depending on where you have it done.
Okay, so in your office, is this an optional test, or is this something that is routine now?
It's an optional test, and there's several groups of people that we would recommend that they have the test. People with a history of oral cancer in their family, people who have high risk because they are alcohol or tobacco users, people that are sexually active, people that have any suspicious oral lesions.
Those are the people who are at highest risk for this. How is human papillomavirus transferred and transmitted orally?
It's actually
transmitted through kissing or something?
It can be through open mouth kissing. It's transmitted in the saliva, even from unwashed hands.
Really?
Yes.
When you put your unwashed hands to your mouth?
Yes.
Wow. All right. So lots of things to think about here. More reasons to wash your hands every time you go to the bathroom and otherwise as well. So how many dentists' offices in the metro area have this new oral DNA test for HPV?
Around 10 dentists in the Atlanta area.
Including you?
Yes.
All right. So not very many. And how widespread will it become in the next 6 months to a year?
I'd like to see every dentist in the country using the test. I think it's a great way to help prevent oral cancer.
Is there a reason you think why we don't have more dentists with it now?
I think we just need to spread the word that it's available. It's a brand new test, again, just out a little over a year. So I think as more people learn about it, then as patients and consumers, we'll want to have the test and be able to be on that preventative side of oral cancer, and more people will offer it.
Yeah, the more you know, the healthier and the safer you will be.
Exactly.
Dr. Gribble Hedlund, again, thank you so much. Appreciate you talking to us.
Thank you, Brenda.
All right.